Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Bilal AI Universe YouTube channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about how you can create these humanoid history videos which will only showcase the scenes very decades ago and how the life was during that time. So take a look at this channel, Humanoid History Hub, and if I go to the description of this channel, so you guys can see this channel has gained over 256,000 subscribers within just 21 videos, and it was made just like 1 month ago. Like, I'm not even joking. July 9, 2025 he made this channel, and right now it has gained like 72 million views in total, and in total of 256,000 subscribers. That literally insane. And one of his popular videos has gained 37 million views, which is absolutely fantastic. How fast this channel is growing only because of these kind of humanoid videos, and how the life was like over 4.8 million years ago, 4.7 million years ago. So just recreating those scenes with the help of AI. So today in this video we're gonna see how you can exactly create those very easily with the help of just ChatGPT and Google VO3. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so first of all, we're gonna go ahead and open this video which gained 37 million views. And we're gonna go ahead and see how this video is first of all, there are like humans, you can say 4.7 million years ago, which were obviously before the evolution they were like apes or monkeys. So throughout this video this guy has shown what exactly the life was over 4.8 million years ago. So these all scenes you can create very easily with the help of ChatGPT and Google VO3. So that's exactly I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, for that you're going to go ahead and go to ChatGPT like I am over here, and in the prompt section, first of all you need to describe what exactly are you looking for and what is like your story, what exactly that you'll be doing today in this video. So for that I basically ready myself with a prompt. So this is the prompt that you need to provide to ChatGPT. I'm gonna say to ChatGPT like I'll be creating historical style videos using Google VO3. The idea is similar to old human history clips, for example showing monkeys, apes and other very early human ancestors with a look that feels centuries old. Okay, so yeah, then I said to ChatGPT I'll be providing you the reference image one by one that I'll be taking from this YouTube video. I'll be like just taking scenes from here, like screenshot, so that ChatGPT has idea what exactly I'm doing. And then I said after giving you the image one by one, you need to go ahead and provide me the prompt for every generation so that we can create that in Google VO3, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and also provide you this prompt down in the description so you can check out with yourself as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this prompt first of all, paste it to ChatGPT and simply click enter. And then you guys can see ChatGPT has now completely understand what I'm looking for. He said, okay, I understand exactly what you're aiming for. Here's how I handle it. You share one reference image at a time. For each image, I'll craft a professional cinematic and highly detailed prompt that you can paste directly into Google VO3. The prompt will emphasize ultra realism, cinematic lighting, dramatic mood, and all the information. And now our ChatGPT has been trained with the information that we provided. And now the next step is we need to go ahead and go back to our video. Just make sure to play the video and simply take a screenshot of this scene. I'm gonna simply do this right over here, come back to ChatGPT and paste it right over here. Once it's uploaded, simply need to click on enter, and then you guys will see in just few seconds that ChatGPT is gonna analyze my image and then provide me the prompt for this image so that I can recreate my own. Okay, so similarly I'm gonna go ahead and do that for all of my scenes. Like here was my next scene. I'm gonna simply go ahead and take a screenshot of that as well, go back to ChatGPT, paste it right over here, simply click on submit. Okay, and then ChatGPT is going to provide me with the prompt for this particular image as well. So I'm going to go ahead and create a sample video out of that, which will be only like under a minute. You can go ahead and keep on repeating this method to create as much long videos as you like. So for that I'm going to go ahead and simply take screenshot of all the scenes from here one by one, and then simply go ahead and keep on pasting those in ChatGPT and just get our prompt from there. So once all of our prompts are done for the scene, so the next step is we need to go ahead and create videos out of this. So one thing you can do is you can go ahead and create image with the help of these prompts and then create videos. So that would be a bit of a lengthy process, but for this video we're gonna go ahead and take it easy and very simple. I'm gonna simply go ahead and copy this prompt, and now we'll be creating videos out of these prompts with the help of Google Veo 3 that we'll be using for absolutely free, like we did in our last video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just open a new Google Chrome and write over here Opal with Google, and straight away I'm gonna jump into the website of Opal, where we can use Google Veo 3 for absolutely free. Right now it's again saying Opal is not available in your country yet, so yeah, don't panic. We're just gonna need to go ahead and just make sure our VPN is turned on. I'm gonna connect my VPN. Okay, so once it's connected, I'm gonna simply refresh my page once again. Okay, and just like that, now we are able to use Google Veo 3 inside of Opal. I'm gonna click on try Opal, so it's gonna ask me to sign in. Alright, so once I'm signed in and everything, so the next thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and click on this Motion Studio. We created that in our last video. You can check it out if you don't know the process. And then here is our interface to create videos inside of Google Veo 3. First of all, I'm going to click on Start on Motion Studio. Then it's going to ask for your image. We don't want to use image to video generation, so we're just going to go ahead and skip this step. And then it's asking me to input my prompts. So right now from here, I'm gonna simply go ahead and copy all of my prompts that we created a few while ago in ChatGPT, one by one inside over here, and simply need to go ahead and click on submit. And now it's only gonna take around 1 or hardly 2 minutes to generate our video. So I'll let you know guys once it's done. Okay. Alright guys, so once it's done, here is the video that I got, and to view this we need to go ahead and go to this app button right over here and just play this video. So yeah, as you guys can see, the background music, the way camera is zooming, everything is so natural and it's so good, because you guys know Veo 3 does the job itself, and it basically do all the magic for you itself. Editing, camera zooming effect, background music, sound effect, everything. Veo 3 handles itself. So yeah, the video turned out absolutely fantastic. So just like this, we're gonna go ahead and keep on creating all of our videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and take in my second prompt from here. Simply go ahead and paste it into the describe section right over here, and again we're gonna go ahead and wait for this video to be completed, and it's only gonna take around a minute or so. So I'm gonna show you once it's done, and just like that I'm gonna go ahead and do that for all of the rest of my videos as well. Okay, you guys? Alright guys, so just like that, you guys can see I have created like around 6 to 7 videos with the help of same method, just copying the prompts from ChatGPT into Google Veo 3. And now what I need to do is I need to simply go ahead and compile all of these clips together in some video editor. So for that I'm going to use Filmora. Don't worry, you can use any you like. You can use CapCut free online. You can use literally any video editor that you like. Just need to go ahead and import all of your clips and simply rearrange them one by one. That's it. And once it's done, simply need to export your video, and this is how what your final output is gonna look like. So yeah, there you have it guys. This was the easiest method. You can go ahead and create history of videos, like the videos those were like million years ago, out of AI with the help of ChatGPT and Google Veo 3. So yeah, I hope you like this video guys, and if you do, kindly make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like these, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.